Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to tell you the 6 ways to make money on YouTube. So this video is not a clickbait, and this video is not like other YouTubers who are doing it only for the money. I'm going to show you the real thing that, that's particularly related with YouTube. It's nothing related to affiliate marketing, nothing related to selling things on like asking people to buy your stuff. So this is a very simple way, like it's an easy and direct way to make on money on YouTube. And there is a plus point, you can also add on to it and grow on YouTube as well. So I'll add that in the end because I have been a YouTuber for a longer time. And if you are my channel subscriber, I talk, if there's a 1 minute video, I talk about 1 minute. I don't drag out things. So let's get started, and let me tell you about 6 ways to make money on YouTube. The first, I'll take, as an example, I'll consider my own YouTube channel because that would be really legit thing to consider. So I'll go to studio and open and go into monetization. So you can see, okay, when you're in monetization, it usually takes some time to process. I make sure there is no information. Okay, I have to hide some information in it, and I'll do that later. The first type of making money on YouTube is through ads. So ads is a very common way to make money on YouTube. I am the YouTube partner from last 4 years. So to be a YouTube partner, what you have to do, you should have at least 1,000 subscribers, and you should have at least 4,000 watch hours. And honestly, it's really easy to get these. It seems hard. It takes a lot of work in the beginning, but when you get started and you're consistent, like you're making videos every day, 2 months is really not more than enough. Like 2 months is enough to make your channel monetize. Just work your ass off. Honestly, it's going to be worthwhile in the future. Just work on it, and you will definitely be considered as an ad partner. And there's a lot of advertisement day by day coming into social media, especially on YouTube. So you're going to make huge amount of money on YouTube. So that's number one. Going on to number two, you should consider shopping. So what does shopping here it means is you are going to enlist products by recommended by YouTube. Like YouTube is going to, there are websites related to it where you are going to put their products on your channel, and whenever somebody buys through that as an appreciation, you are going to make money. You don't have to work or print that shirt. So that's a second option how you're going to make money on YouTube. On the third option, it's called memberships. So what does memberships means? Like for my channel, the membership is like for knowing me is $24.99 because nobody knows me and I don't want anybody to know me. So shout out. I don't have that much new views begin new viewers, so I don't get a lot of these. Sometimes people subscribe to my there are few members. So what happens when you get membership is you want to make your own audience that are loyal to you. Like there are certain things you want to give them before giving something into general audience. So these are the people, like they will pay you monthly some dollars, like $2.99, $4.99. So every month they're going to pay you this amount of money. In return, you will give them something that is you are not going to give in public. Maybe your pre-edit roles, something how to teach them about YouTube. So this is another way of making monthly income through YouTube. So this is the third way on how to make money on YouTube. Number four would be supers. So supers are usually stickers. I got only one sticker by Mr. Caleb's Family Adventure. I really appreciate them. They sent me $2 on one of my videos. And this is what happens when you're trying to premiere a video, and video is live on YouTube, and they want to give you some amount of money. So all they have to do is click on, there's a dollar option on that premiered video, and when they click on it, and it's up to them how much they want to donate. So this is how anyone is going to make bucks through YouTube. So is also a great option to make money on YouTube if you have a really good community on YouTube. So this is the number four ways to make money on YouTube. Number fifth way is called shorts. Before starting YouTube Shorts, YouTube announced that it's going to announce only $100 million through advertisement and give them to people who make shorts. but later on it expanded because YouTube Shorts just boomed, and there are a lot of people watching YouTube Shorts. Now YouTube is considering to make it ad friendly. So if you can't make like longer videos that are 8 minutes, 7 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, consider making small shorts and make sure they're so good. And once your shorts are available on YouTube and they're really good and you're consistent, honestly, it will take a 1 month, like you will be hitting 5,000, 50,000 subscribers, and you'll be making money through shorts. So shorts is the greatest way because YouTube expanded from 100 million. Now it's reaching new borders, and there's no limit to making money because there's a lot of advertisement flowing in. Do consider YouTube Shorts if you're starting out. Number six that I told you is a special offer. It's giving money to organizations. So this is not about making money. So if somebody's making money, they can also give money. There are certain organizations related to climate change, related to health, related to food. There are a lot of things going on in the world, and if you want to consider to be a part of part of them, you can also donate that money to that organization through supporting them, supporting any cause if you want. So you can get started with this button and give them that amount, if monthly, even if for a short period. It depends on you. There are a lot of organizations. So this is a great thing that YouTube has expanded in last 2 years. It was the last time only thing that was available was advertisement. Now YouTube is expanding day by day. It's doing a really great job compared to all of the platforms that is huge, that is Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I think this is the future. And if you think this video was for you and it was related to you, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tigez Schooling.